Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to the ultimate guide on maximizing affiliate marketing in 2024. Whether you're just starting or looking to elevate your game, we're diving deep into the secrets that will set you apart in the world of affiliate marketing. Get ready to unlock strategies that will skyrocket your earnings and build lasting trust with your audience.
Unleashing the power of affiliate marketing in 2024. Secrets to success are at your fingertips, from choosing the right program to crafting compelling content and tracking your progress. It's not just about the clicks, it's about the conversions. Success isn't a mystery, it's a strategy. So step into the future of marketing where every link counts. Maximizing affiliate marketing in 2024, your roadmap to digital success.
The first secret to affiliate marketing success lies in choosing the right products. It's not just about what sells, it's about what resonates with your audience. We'll uncover how to select products that align with your values, meet your audience's needs, and stand out in a crowded marketplace.
Dive into the world of product analysis, consider audience alignment, scrutinize product quality, and gauge market demand. Every product tells a story, unveiling its potential through those factors. As the glow of selection illuminates each chosen product, the path to success becomes clearer. This is the art of strategic choice, the science of smart decision-making. A journey from evaluation to selection, redefining the way we perceive products. Every second, every choice brings us closer to perfection.
Next, we will delve into the art of building trust. In the realm of affiliate marketing, trust is your currency. Learn how to create content that speaks to your audience, the importance of being transparent about your affiliate relationships, and strategies for establishing yourself as a reliable source of information.
Imagine a world where trust and positivity echo through every corner. A content creator's haven where blogs, videos, and social media interactions are sprinkled with authenticity. Icons of trust like handshakes and badges of reliability become the language of this realm. Let this be your everyday reality. Engage, enlighten, inspire, because in a world of constant noise, genuine connection is the sweetest sound.
With the right products and trust in place, it's time to optimize your marketing channels. We'll explore advanced techniques for leveraging social media, email marketing, and SEO to maximize your reach and conversion rates. Discover how to craft compelling content that converts and the secret behind successful campaign strategies.
Venture into the dynamic world of marketing channels. From the bustling sphere of social media platforms to the personalized realm of email newsletters and the vast landscape of search engine results pages, each a unique path to your success. Watch as arrows ascend and graphs surge, illustrating growth and optimization strategies. Uncover the secrets of these versatile avenues and let their potential power your journey forward. Join us on this expedition, exploring the ever-evolving terrain of marketing channels.
To truly excel in affiliate marketing, staying ahead of the trend is crucial. We'll share how to keep your finger on the pulse of the industry, from emerging platforms to changing consumer behaviors, and how to adapt your strategies to stay ahead of the competition.
In the ever-evolving marketing landscape, change is the only constant. As the dawn of each day unfolds, new platforms emerge, trends shift, and opportunities abound. Picture a radar, tirelessly scanning the horizon, each sweep revealing a fresh chance to innovate, to connect, to make your mark. This is the future of marketing, where the traditional meets the transformative, where you seize the day every day.
Armed with these secrets, you'll be ready to take your affiliate marketing efforts to new heights in 2024 and beyond. Remember, success in this field is a journey, not a sprint. Stay committed, keep learning, and your efforts will pay off.
Picture this, a path laid out before you, leading straight to a gleaming trophy in the distance. That trophy, it's success. Along the journey, affiliate marketing tools pave the way. Every step is an achievement, a victory. Marketers, joyous in their triumphs, mark each milestone. The journey may be long, the road may be winding, but the destination, it's always worth it. Remember, success is not just the trophy, it's the journey.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the secrets of maximizing affiliate marketing in 2024. If you want to jump ahead of the curve, go to freedomlifebusiness.com and push the green button to get started. Here's to your success. Make it a wonderful day. And remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.
Immerse yourself in a world of knowledge where curiosity meets insight. Don't miss a beat. Like, share, subscribe. Make your voice heard, your presence felt. Ignite the conversation, feed the community. See that pulsing join us button? It's your VIP pass to a universe of discovery. Stay tuned, stay informed, stay ahead, because the future waits for no one. Knowledge is power. Power is yours. Grab it.